Welcome to Cliff Fall. This is normally the part of our Wilson lesson where I would pull the words out from your review pile and I would drop them in front of you until they hit the table. Obviously, you'd have to get them before they hit the table, or as I say, fell into the water right off of the cliff. And so we actually have a cliff here. So I'm going to do the best I can with this method. And there may be some sound effects. You never know. We also have some words that are multisyllable, that have suffixes, welded sounds, digraphs, and closed syllable exceptions. We'll also be bringing in the new words that you've learned this week with ET. Okay. Keep in mind that you should have an adult or sibling with you to keep track of any words that fell into the water before you were able to say them correctly. There are also some words in here that are not real, so keep that in mind. They're mixed together. All right, here we go. Ah! Ah! Ouch, ouch. Okay, now we're going to do 2 words at a time. You ready? Okay, now we have our newer words that end in ET. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow, 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 ouch. Make sure you record any words that you missed and put them into the Google form. Awesome, guys!